Body cameras on, they all got guns out. Guns away. Female still has hers. Oh, why are they going hands on? No, go ahead. Terry frisk doesn't allow you to go into his pockets. Terry frisk does not allow you to go into his pockets. You got to call a suspicious person?
It takes a little time to take it off. Did he find a weapon?
No weapons found. Okay, he's pretty good.
What money at? Did you put that back in the pocket?
I don't know. You better check. He may be walking away with it.
A pile of money feels like a weapon to you, Sergeant? A pile of money feels like a weapon to you? A pile of money feels like a weapon.
You got your money?
No.
Where's your money?
Which one of you guys went in my pocket? Did you give my money back to me? Hey, hold on, dude. Did you give my money back to me?
He had some money in his pocket. One of them took it out.
How much money did he have in his pocket?
A pretty good size. I'm gonna guess and say somewhere around $3,000, but let's see. Hey,
I doubt we took $3,000.
I'm just trying to say
I'm
it
just-
may have been left on the hood of the patrol car. I don't know. Make sure it's not in your pocket. Check your pockets. Don't accuse somebody of something they didn't do.
Everybody that's out here just kind of hold up.
Yeah. Is that it?
Shit, they took some other stuff out of my pocket, dude.
Okay, but is that the money?
That's the problem. I don't know. What did she give you? Did she just give you
Just the camera.
Just that? Who went to my pocket? I'm just making sure they put it back in there.
I don't know.
Before you start accusing somebody of doing something like that, let's make sure that you have what you have.
Yeah.
Okay?
Well, you guys went to my pocket, dude.
I didn't go through your pocket.
They said the money felt like a weapon, so they had to take it out.
You dropped your money, man. And there's nothing that dropped over here.
I don't think so. I didn't see anything. Yeah, if it had dropped over here, I would have seen it.
They drop any money over here? After any money dropped over here? We're in a civilian building, so the civilian security guard actually called.
Okay.
Yeah, so not there by ourselves.
To my pocket. He's put it to my pocket, dude.
Can you tell me how much money you have prior?
Like with a $5 bill and papers.
Well, if he's not telling me how much money he has,
I got it. We'll figure it out, and if there's a problem, I'll give you a call.
If there's a problem, let us know. But I mean, he can't sit here and be making
I understand.
accusations.
No,
But
and
he can't tell me how much.
I got it. I got it.
So let me give you a little background. Our station was shot at last week. Okay, so that's not cool on our part, and it is civilians. So a civilian security guard works in the bottom. So when he sees the guy standing by the sign and going up in there and back and coming back, he gets a little. He's a civilian.
Yeah.
And this isn't just a police department. There's multiple civilians in this business building. We just happen to be on it for.
Gotcha. I got
So
you.
that's how that happened.
Okay, it's fine.
I hear you.
We'll get him to count the money,
Yeah,
and
just let us know.
we got it all on video. If there's a problem, I'll holler at you. I've got your name. I actually know who you are.
And then we've got body cams.
Yeah,
You know,
I know.
We don't
I know.
have access to them right away.
I know.
They got to download in the system and everything like that. It takes.
I know. I know how the system works. I've actually met you before.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been a while, but I've met
been a
you
while,
before.
huh? Where'd
Yeah,
you meet me at?
downtown during the Floyd protests.
Okay.
Yeah, I met you down there.
So-
I was dressed completely different than as were we
Yeah,
all.
Just let us know. I
Yeah,
mean,
and like I said, we've got it all on video.
hear
So
you.
if there's a problem, I'll holler at you. And if I don't think there is, but I think he got everything back. He just hadn't found it yet. But we'll double check it, and we'll be able to see on the video.
just for future reference, I mean, kind of know. I mean, I understand the audits and everything like that. I get it. Just make sure you know exactly how much cash you have on you.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that.
No.
In that way, there's any
That's
discrepancies.
like I said, we're not trying to accuse anybody of anything they didn't do. We're not like that.
I'm trying to make sure I got all my stuff because he went through my pocket.
Okay, so let's go over to the car. Let's go through your stuff. Make sure it's all there, and if it's not, we'll holler at
Is
Sarge.
that publicly accessible?
The lobby is, yes.
The one through that
The PD.
entrance right there, is that publicly accessible?
He can go to the lobby and ask for you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can go to the lobby, ask for me.
Okay.
I'll right down the street. I might be here. Just let us
Okay.
know.
Okay. There we go.
All right, man.
All right. Thanks, Sarge. Okay, come over here and just go through your stuff real quick.